This is going to be a little bit of a shorter one because we have done the same thing the last couple days with different numbers. We've built our cube trains to 8, and then we built them to 9, and now we're working with 10. So you're just going to need your counters. We won't need them for this first page though because it tells us what we're going to do. How many are we going to color in red? 9 are going to be red, and how many are going to be yellow? 1. So let's color in the 9 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to match down here. 9 are red, and then we're going to add one more yellow. And if we have 9 and one more, 9 counting on one more is 10. We have our equal sign to show that when these two are put together, they are now equal to that one. This is lesson 512. I'm sorry, I didn't say that yet. So lesson 5.12 on page 297, and number pairs to 10. All right, get your counters ready. Build this first one. If you're up for a challenge, pause me and see if you build it correctly without seeing how I build it. I'm going to start building. 1 is going to be red, and then 9 are yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are yellow. 1 is red, and that equals 10. If I flip 1, how many are red now? 2. And how many are yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's keep going. Flip it again. How many are red? How many are yellow? One more time. 4, and remember, you might think, oh, that's 5, and you'll write it, and you have 5, and then 4, and then that does not equal 10, so make sure you're double checking those numbers. Remember to go through and practice saying and tracing your symbols. Let's say this first one together. 10 is equal to 1 plus 9. 10 is equal to 2 plus 8. 10 is equal to 3 plus 7. 10 is equal to, I gotta move my paper up a little bit, sorry, 4 plus 6. This one, you guys can keep doing on your own. You just keep flipping them and writing them down, just like we've done every other lesson this week. For this one, there are 10 children in the cafeteria. 10 of them are drinking water. How many children are drinking milk? So let's draw our cube train for the story problem. We need 10 cubes because it says that there are 10 children in the cafeteria. You should draw your 10 cubes. 5 and 5 make 10, so I can do a group of 5 and another group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are my 10 children in the cafeteria. Each one of these cubes represents one of the kids in the cafeteria. 10 of them are drinking water. So let's color in 10 to show how many are drinking water. And then how many children are drinking milk? There's no more cubes to draw or color in, right? So if we have 10 that are drinking water, how many are drinking milk? 0. This is why it's important that we draw these out so we can see, we can visualize, we can see that there's no more cubes to color in, so that must mean there's 0. Now we're going to draw to show what you know about a different number paired to 10. Let's do, so we need to start by drawing our 10 cube trains because it equals 10, so we know we're going to need to start with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For my story problem today, I'm going to say there are 10 movie theaters. 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are showing Finding Nemo. The other 5 are showing Finding Dory. How many movie theaters are showing a movie? All 10 are showing a movie. How many are showing Finding Nemo? And how many are showing Finding Dory? 5 and 5 makes 10. You can use all different sorts of examples, like my popsicle example, or you can say 10 kids in the class have shoes on. 5 of them have their laces tied. 5 of the laces are untied. You can say it backwards too. 5 kids have untied shoes. 5 kids' shoes are tied. How many kids are wearing shoes? Next, practice doing another one of these pages. Color one and circle the one that matches how you colored it. For the last page, complete the addition sentence to show the numbers that match the cube train. So just count the cube trains and fill in the blanks. Count the dots in the 10 frames and write the number below to match. Trace that first one and then write the number below to match. These are in counting order. I'll give you that clue. Use blue and red to color the cubes to show a way to make 10. So just get a blue and a red because it wants us to use blue and red for this. And color them in a way to make 10. Then send me a picture when you're done.